So in this video on views within Microsoft Dynamics for Sales, we're just going to cover off the mass edit feature. Now this is one in a series we've done on views. You can see links to others in the series below. Also, if you've got any suggested content ideas or you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. So let's talk about the mass edit feature. Now this is available in all views of the system and allows you to change the values on multiple records in one go. Now I'm in my opportunities area and I'm specifically in the open opportunities system view at the moment. I can't see any sort of mass edit feature appearing in the top menu. However, once I start selecting records, so let me select a couple of records here. Now I'm going to select two records, and these are hot deals at 80-90 probability. So I'm going to change them both in one go. I'm going to change them to warm, and I'm going to change them to 70%. Now you see, once I've clicked those, I've got an edit button appear in the top menu. Now I could also have clicked all of them, by the way, and I can change everything on a page. Now I'll cover it right at the end. Tell me what your page settings are. I've got my page limit set to 250, which is what I would recommend. That's the maximum, but yours may be set to something different. You can edit to your page limit if you select all of them. I was going to go back and select those two again, and what I'm going to do now is click edit, and it's giving me the opportunity to edit those two records. And basically what it's displaying here is all the fields on that form, and I can change any of those fields. Now I'm going to put the probability I said at 70, and I'm going to change the rating to warm. Now I can change as many fields as I want there, but I'm happy with those two. Obviously they're going to have to be the same value, so I'm changing those two records to the same thing. And now when I save that, that's going to update those two records. You can just see those two records have been updated to 70% probability and a rating of warm. Now this is really useful if you've got a lot of records to change in one go to the same value, being able to do that from within a view and update them, potentially multiple fields on those records. This is a very effective way of doing it. It's a tool not a lot of people are aware of necessarily because they don't spot that edit function, and it's not clear that it's a mass edit capability, which it is. The last thing I'll quickly show you, just in case your page limits are not set to 250, because this is a personalization setting. So if I go to the cog in the top there, click on personalization settings, you'll see my records per page here is set to 250. But if it wasn't and you wanted to change it, it's down to you obviously, then you can change that and then just OK it. So that's a quick introduction to the mass edit capability within views. As I said, we've done a whole series on views. You can see links to those below. Also say, if you've got suggested content ideas, need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, see the links below. But thank you very much for your time today, and hopefully see you again soon.